Having trouble with your Samsung remote controlling your Spectrum cable box? Let's fix it. First, understand that most Samsung remotes use infrared (IR) to communicate. This requires a clear line of sight to the Spectrum box. Make sure nothing is blocking the signal. IR signals can be affected by interference, as shown in this diagram where light beams refract through tape. Start by checking your remote's batteries. Weak batteries often cause connectivity issues. Next, try resetting the remote by removing the batteries for 30 seconds and reinserting them. Now, let's pair the remote. On your Samsung TV, navigate to the Universal Remote Setup menu, usually found under Settings, External Device Manager, or similar. Select Cable or Cable Box and follow the on-screen prompts. When asked for the cable provider, choose Spectrum. You'll then be prompted to enter a code. Try these common Spectrum codes 0178, 0019, 0209, 0247, or 0295. Test the remote after each code entry to see if it works. If automatic pairing fails, manual input is often necessary. Test the remote after each code entry to see if it works. Still no luck? IR signals can be disrupted by other light sources, especially sunlight or fluorescent lights. Try dimming the lights or testing in a low-light environment. Ensure the Spectrum box's IR receiver isn't obstructed. If you've tried all the common codes, consult Samsung's website or your TV's manual for a more comprehensive list of Spectrum codes specific to your cable box model. If IR continues to be problematic, consider alternative control methods. Newer Samsung TVs often support HDMI CEC, Consumer Electronics Control, allowing you to control the Spectrum box via a wired HDMI connection without IR. Another option is to use the Spectrum app on your Samsung device, which offers remote mirroring capabilities. As a last resort, consider a universal remote with better IR learning capabilities or an IR extender to boost the signal. Keep in mind that Samsung is moving towards Bluetooth and Wi-Fi direct pairing in newer TVs, reducing reliance on IR. Check if your TV supports these technologies for seamless control.